Hello kids, if you are in this lesson, in lesson 4, maybe you need to understand how frame sets work or how you can create it. But before to create a frame set, you need some documents. You need to take into account different things. Like, for example, I have in document and 7b, I have created these documents. All these documents have been saved here previously. For example, all music, all videos I am going to need for my web page. As you already selected a different topic, you're supposed to have all your documents, all your files, your images, your music here in the same folder. I'm going to give you the example with 7b. In 7b, I have created all this information, but also I need to create some other documents which are important for the creation of the frame set. Remember, the frame set is the division of the web page. Let me show you how it must look like. The final frame set must look like this. If I go to open with Google Chrome, we are going to do something like this. Look, this is the index where you will have all the words with the menu. The main menu is going to appear here on the left side of your screen, and on the right side you will see the content. I have created this welcome page at the beginning, but you are going to add an image here also. If I press content, for example, the first topic I have, another page is going to appear on this side. It is not going to close this one and open another web page, but it's going to open a web page in this place. How to do this? It is really simple. First of all, you need to create a welcome page. Remember the one I showed you before. If you go to open with and block the notas, notepad, you will see I have created with the same code, HTML, I close HTML, head, close. If you miss something, it is not going to work. So it is important to close the tag with angle brackets like this, like in this case, this angle bracket and this angle bracket. The heading, open and close the tag. Remember, the tags are each word, each command you use to create your web page. Then the body with a color in the background. In this case is green color, but you can add also a background, different background with an image or something different. This is B for bold letter, and I close the tag here. BR is for when you create another line, if you want to continue writing messages on the next line. Then I have changed font. Remember, color, type of letter or face, and size of letter. And this is the message I have placed there. This is the message, and then /font to close this font. If you don't close fonts, it is not gonna work. Please be sure you are opening and closing each tag, and with the slash, remember, you open the tag here and you are saying you are applying this font to this text only. So if you close it here, it's because this format is not going to continue in the other lines. So I'm going to ask you to add an image also here. Well, whatever you want for your web page. I close the body at the end, and that's it. This is my welcome page. That's all. I have now the index. Let me show you my index. In the index, if I go to open with block the notas again, in the index I have HTML, again, always the same structure. Head and close head, body to change the format of the background, and /body to close the tag. Then I have bold for the title. This is my title. Index, you can change it as you prefer. I have a different color, size, and type of letter for this. But I have open here a link. This is a link. you have to write a href and then equal quotations, and inside, in the middle of quotations, I close the quotation here, I have written the name of the file. This is the name of the file. The name of my file is Ireland HTML. This file must appear in the same folder in 7b where I have the other information. Where is this file? Here. If I open it, I'm going to open it with Google Chrome for you to see it. This is the file that appears on the right side when I click on Content. If you remember the previous exercise, let me open the index with Google Chrome. If I open only the index must have the title and then Content 1. In Content 1, when I press here, it has a link to open the page on the right side, as you could see. In Ireland, as I show you, I must place the information you saw before. So, the final step when you have welcome page, index, and and the content, is frame set. In frame set, you are going to see, open with Google Chrome, you will see this, the whole structure. So when I click here, the page opens immediately. So how to do that? The frame set is the divisions, as I explained you before. So in block de notas, in Notepad, you will see the structure. The structure of frame set is frame set, columns. This is the size, how big it is. The size is 120. This is the size of the column. You can change this number as you prefer. Then this is star and quotations. Don't forget quotations, and don't forget the angle bracket at the end. Then frame, SRC means source, remember, equal, quotations again, and the name of the file. As you have named this file, in my case, the name of the file is index. Look at it. How you know what extension it is? Because you have created these documents as web pages. Remember, this is the extension, and this is the name of the file. But you can change it as you prefer. I named it as index. Then I have name. Name means what is the name of the place. In this exercise, the name of this part of the left side, let me show you again. If I open with, I'm going to open both for you to see. This part, in my case, is named in index, but this is the menu. That's why I have written here menu. This is the menu. This place is going to be named then menu. This is going to be the place, menu. But the file is named index. Look, the name of my file is index, and the name of that place is menu. This is the place is menu, the file is index. On the right side, I have provided another name. Look, frame, SRC, source, equal, quotations, and then the name of the file that is going to appear immediately as soon as I open the frame set. This is the welcome page, .html. Look, pay attention, this is HTML. It is not HTLM, okay? Be sure that you are writing the corresponding name as it appears here. So I have, again, here I have the file with that name, welcome page. And finally I have the name of this place. What do I mean? This place is going to be main, as I have written here. This is the name of the place. And the name of the file is this. This is the name of the file. Okay? When you open, it is going to work like that. Let me show you again. This is the code, but it must be exactly the name as it appears in the folder you have. And all folders must be placed in the same folders, all files, sorry, must be placed in the same folder. Don't forget that. Well, now, you are going to create your pages, welcome page, your page of content. Please create 3 pages of content, index, and a frame set. Okay, and write the menu on the right side, on the left side here, write the name of the pages. Please, 3 pages, and when you click on them, all content must appear on the right side. Try to do it with the topic you have selected. Good luck. Goodbye.